Welcome back. If you've been trying to find all your marketplace listings on the Facebook app on PC after the new update, this guide will show the exact steps in a simple way. Facebook keeps changing where certain options are located, so if you were looking around the Marketplace tab and couldn't find your listings, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the fastest path to get to everything you've posted on Marketplace. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open your account menu with several options. From there, go into Settings and Privacy. After that, click on Activity Log. This is where Facebook stores a lot of your activity history, including content connected to your account. Now choose your Facebook activity. Inside this section, you'll see different categories of activity tied to your profile. What you need to do next is click on Facebook Marketplace. This will take you to the area where marketplace-related activity is organized. Once you're inside, enter Marketplace Listings. Here, you can view all of your listings in one place. You'll be able to check active items, sold items, and anything else you've posted through Marketplace. This is very useful if you want to review old listings, manage current ones, or see what happened to a post you created earlier. If you still don't see your listings right away, make sure you're using the same Facebook account that was used to create them. Sometimes the issue is simply being logged into a different profile, and that's it. In just a few clicks, you can find all your marketplace listings on Facebook app on PC using the new update. If this helped, make sure to save it for later so you can come back whenever you need it.